Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talecia G Style here, and I am back with another video. Now, honey, I'm not even going to talk right now. I'm not going to even talk. Get into this. Get into this. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. Like, I'm not even say much to you because I'm letting you take in the greatness that is this hair color. Look at this. Look at me. Look, not even me. Don't look at my face. Look at the color. Look at the color. Look at the color. Like, I can't stop touching my hair. Like, I'm literally like this. Like, I am so in love with this color. Like, I love it. I absolutely love it. Like, I don't know why I thought I couldn't do like a brighter red, and clearly I was listening to the devil, because the devil is a liar. He's a big bold faced liar. Look at this color. Like, I absolutely adore this color. Like, I love it. I think it looks really great. Because I always had that unction or that notion in my mind that, like, you know, I'm too dark for certain colors. I won't do it. Like, I see other girls do it and pull it off, and I'm just like, that's you, that's not me. But now I'm like, that is me. But I took a dive and I just did this color, like, and I don't regret it at all. I love this color, and I feel like in the fall I could maybe warm it up a little bit, make it a little bit more burgundy. Let's see. Comment down below if you want to see that for the fall. You know what I mean? August, September vibes. But girl, I love this color. But yeah, I just took the dive. Mind you, if you notice that like one side is a little bit weird, like with the curl, I don't know why, it just won't stay. Either way, this is the color. Now, if you want to know how I achieve this color, boo, continue to watch. Now, before you start watching to figure out the formula, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and tell me how fire my hair looks. Just drop a couple of fire emojis. Just let me know how, like, let me know that you recognize greatness when you see it, okay? And then make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit that bell notification down below, okay? So that you're up to date each week and you know while going with the hair and all that good stuff. Alrighty. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video, okay? So you're gonna need some bleach. I'm using BW2 40 volume developer, gloves, mixing bowl, and a brush. You are going to take about 4 scoops, maybe even more. You're going to mix a big batch of this because we're going to be bleaching from basically from the roots to the tip. So you're going to need a lot, and you're going to be doing the whole wig. So you're going to make a big batch of this. Make sure it's a nice creamy consistency so it's not dripping all over your floor. And yeah, depending on how much you mix, you may have to go back a second time to make some more. So I'm going to section it off in 3 sections: the back section, the mid section, and then the frontal. The back section I am going to leave for last because I want it to be a little bit darker than I want the rest. Going to start applying the bleach to the mid section, and while I'm applying it, I'm making sure once I get closer to the roots, I am holding the brush vertically and giving it some lines, some random lines, just so it looks more natural. But towards the bottom I don't really care, but towards the top I want it to look more natural and it's not just one straight line going across. Make sure you hold the brush vertically versus horizontally. So keep in mind, when you're using 40 volume developer, it's going to process the color fast, so you have to work fast. And as well, if you want it to process fast, you can use tinfoil, which I did. And that's why as well I left the back, because I want the back to be a little bit darker. Frontal, it's the exact same thing. Just make sure you really are applying the bleach and vertical lines towards the roots, because you do not want a straight line across. It's not going to look natural. It's going to look very fake. So remember, vertical lines, guys, vertical lines. As I said before, with 4D volume developer, it processes the hair fast, so it's up to you how light you want it, but I waited at least 25 to 30 minutes to get it this light. But if you find that it's not lightening fast enough for you, you can always use heat from a blow dryer, which I had to do for the frontal because it was taking longer. So here's the fun part. You're going to take your dyes, you're going to take silicone mix, your gloves, a bowl, whisk, and some hot water. Pour in the hot water into the bowl first, and then you're going to take about half of the bottle of paprika and you're going to pour that into the hot water. And then you're going to take your whisk just to mix it in, make sure that the water is nice and brown, and then you're going to go in with the Truly Red and do the exact same. And as well, take the silicone mix, pour in like a couple of scoops, just so that you can add some moisture back to the strands of the wig because it's already been bleached, so it's a little bit dry. So you can do that. As well, I used a paper towel just to test to see the color. It really didn't even help, but I did it because I saw it on YouTube somewhere. But yeah, just mix it all in, make sure it's nice and a good consistency, there's no clumps, and then you're gonna dip your wig in. I ended up using more paprika because I did not like how it came out so red. So if you want the same color, make sure you use more paprika than red in this. I would use the whole bottle of paprika and then half of Truly Red. Oh my gosh, look at this color. I am so in love. I know on camera it looks a little bit more red, but in person it's definitely more of a copper red. It's that fiery orangey red, and I love it. I'm so in love with it. So I'm going to go ahead off camera and just quickly style it and curl it up. But yeah, that's it guys. That's how I got the color. Alright guys, there you have it. That is how I achieved this fire hair color. Like, I love it. It's so simple. It's not even that complicated to do. You just bleach your hair, you watercolor it, and then you slay. Bleach, watercolor, slay. Those 3 steps, that's all you gotta do, girl. That's all you gotta do to be popping this summer. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked how I did this color. As well, comment down below and let me know what other colors you would want to see on me. We could be the same skin tone, so you may be like, ooh, that looks really good on you. Try this color. I'm just letting y'all know I ain't doing no purple, no green. I ain't doing yellow. No, I'm not gonna be doing that. But comment down below and let me know what other color that you would like to see on me. I like experimenting and doing different things. Nothing too wild, but I will do it. And as well, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can be up to date every week to see when I'm uploading and that you can see all this goodness. And as well too, make sure you are following me on the Instagram. Make sure you're following me there. I post daily almost, or every other day, but I'm always posting different stories and things like that. And as well, just a quick little PSA, quick PSA. If you are a darker skin complexion, do not be afraid to experiment with color, especially if you're above the age of 25. I'm only 16, but for those who are of a certain age or a certain thing, like, you can try different colors. Like, I think reds look really great on darker skinned women. I think like certain hues of blonde, certain oranges, like those type of things, I feel like we can get away with. I feel like it's made more so for us. But honestly, girl, I really love this color, and I think darker skinned women, we should experiment more with color, not be afraid, and not listen to all the foolishness talking about that we can't wear certain colors or we shouldn't wear bright colors. I feel like if you do it in a nice, sexy, sophisticated, feminine way, aka non-ratchet way, you can look really good in it. And if you want to look like a ratchet, go ahead. Like, it's your life. Do your thing. Like, do your thing, mama. You don't have to worry about it. But yeah, I'm glad I experimented with this when I did this hair color. I don't know about y'all, girl, but I love it. But yeah, that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Alrighty, mama. Bye.